And what I know is happening and I'm witnessing happening is that there's a revolution with humanity's health. I often say on this channel is that it doesn't make sense that we live in a world where there are more unhealthy food service businesses than healthy food service businesses. Because if the world and humanity is intelligent, 95 to 100% of things that we put into our mouths should be good for us, should be healing for us, should be supporting our well-being. And so I'm watching it happen in real time. And as I asked the question in the beginning, is are you a part of this? I know a lot of us have the intentions to support our communities, but are you saying yes to it? There are people who need you to open your business because they don't know the things that you know. They don't have access. And so we are here to support you. I just wanted to let you guys know and just make you aware, because a lot of times when we are in isolation, right, you're one individual, or maybe you have a partner, husband or wife, and you think that you're the only one who's realizing that your community needs a juice bar or a healthy food service business. And I can tell you it's happening everywhere. And if you don't do it, very likely someone else in your community will, which is beautiful for your community. And I'm glad about that. But also know that it's important that people who have high integrity, who really understand the importance of health, take these businesses on. And that's part of our mission. Because I've seen so many heart-centered, beautiful entrepreneurs or beautiful aspiring entrepreneurs who don't have the experience start businesses and they don't go well. And so for me, I want to empower as many people as possible in creating healthy food service businesses, because that's what humanity needs.